Hi Robert, thanks very much indeed for the question on your condenser tumble dryer. You say you've got model number WTE84105GB. There are a few variations, but you did include a photograph, so I was able to work out it was a /35. You've bought a new NTC sensor which failed, and you bought it from a competitor called eSpares, not a problem. You're asking me that you can't find the connector for the NTC sensor because the manufacturer has changed it. Now, I'm just going to quickly explain this for you, and I will put a web page together for you. The NTC sensors normally used, and if I can bring this up to the camera and get it to focus, a connector that looked like that. But some of the new NTC sensors just have spade connectors on them, or they have a different type of plug. If it is spade connectors that are on there, you are going to be able to cut the wire, put a spade connector on, insulate it, and then connect that to the NTC sensor on each side. It doesn't matter which way round the wires are because it's only doing an ohms reading. They should actually print, if they have superseded parts on websites or manufacturers have changed components, they should, in my opinion, actually tell the consumer that there is a wiring alteration that needs to take place and either provide the correct plug to go on it, or they should supply the extra spade terminals with instructions. But I will tell you, a lot of these sensors now are going to spade connectors, or they have specific plugs like this one, but it doesn't matter which way the wiring goes round. What I'm going to do for you is not only put any relevant videos I have on this dryer for you in future on the web page. It will be in the description on this video. It will also have any spare parts and exploded diagrams of your machine as well, so you can obtain any parts in the future. These dryers were good dryers. They did have a few problems with the heating system, but what I will tell you is while you've got the tumble dryer stripped down, do some maintenance. I can't emphasize this enough. Most of the problems that occur with tumble dryers is due to the lack of maintenance. Now, I've got some very good videos that will show you not only how to clean a condensing tumble dryer, but also the condensing box which is on the dryer as well. These condensing boxes build up with fluff over a period of time, and they do need cleaning out. And you can literally take them outside, hit them with a high pressure hose pipe and clean the condenser box. Not only will it dry the clothes quicker, it will save you a fortune in electricity over the long term with regards to using the dryer. And it's well worth stripping the machine down and getting a vacuum cleaner inside to hoover up all the dust that takes place. Also on these dryers, for future reference, there is usually a sensor dry system on them. This means that inside the drum, hidden at the top or bottom, I can't remember, are a couple of bars. These bars can build up with film from clothing like labels, printed t-shirts, and this film that's on the t-shirts sometimes coats the bars, and then it gets incorrect moisture readings. And if this takes place, the machine will either turn off early or not dry the clothes properly because it's getting an incorrect reading. I just thought that would be useful for you. So if you do need any further help, feel free to reach out to us, hit the contact us button on the website and send us a detailed information of any other information that you require. It's also worth sometimes uploading a video to YouTube or your social media and sending me the link to explain the problem properly rather than just doing things via the description. Because you didn't send me a detailed picture of the NTC sensor, I was unable to exactly work out which terminals are on your new NTC sensor. So that would have been helpful for me. Anyway, have a great Christmas. Hope this article helps you. Do some maintenance on your dryer. It will really save you a lot of money in the future. Thanks for contacting us.